I'm using 113 watts of power, and from my outlet I'm getting 112, 113 watts. So it's plugged in right there. This is my Bluetti 100 Elite. It's the Elite 100 version 2. Got it about a few months back, about 6 months ago. It's been working perfectly as a backup UPS. And I have some solar panels right here. Some Sokia Vola little panels that I use in case I need them. I've already tested them out and they are absolutely flawless panels. Again, Sokia Vola, 220 watts of solar, and they're essentially waterproof. I think they're, rated 67. So right here, I have some cables for, in case I want to plug in a refrigerator right here or something like that, or a TV. And right up here, I have my router, and here's my modem, and that's my little dusting device. Right, there's my scanner and a bunch of storage right there. So I have a bunch of stuff. Let me move this again. This is pretty thick. This is I got, cables that can handle a lot of wattage, a lot of volts. And over here, I have my cables that connect to this via MC4s. And right here, I have a circuit breaker and on-off switch, which connects here. So panels, long cable, connects to this, and I have a lot of, and I have MC4s for that too. So there's the MC4s, and then from that it goes to this and powers that. So I'm set. Right now it's about 20 degrees here in Fort Worth, Texas. Some of you in the United States are at minus 20 degrees, so you don't feel any sympathy for me, huh? No sympathy for me. So I'm ready for a power outage. I have my UPS set up, and no problems at all. Again, this is waterproof. This is snowproof. That's a little over 1,000 watt hours, which is pretty good for like about 6 hours or so. And if I connect the solar panels, I already know that it can power my modem, my router, TV, and no problems with my energy efficient refrigerator. So I'm set. So I got some significant wires here. Let me move that. So these aren't cheap ass wires. Like, these are powerful wires. So I'm set. Hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you're at. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza, and thanks for watching. Again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them below and say, Jesus, you're going at it the wrong way. I'm a pretty reasonable character. I'm a pretty reasonable guy. And again, I'll have links to these products, some of them, in the description, and of course links to other videos. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. From Fort Worth, Texas, gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.